Hey, it's Noria, and today I'm going to show you a nice quiet place on campus that I love to spend time at, in between classes or when I need a place to study. Bierce Library is filled with plenty of places to get schoolwork done, including some study rooms that have murals painted by student artists. This place is packed with over 780,000 books. Students also have access to millions of digital resources through the Bierce Library website. Bierce Library is also home to the EXL Center, which helps students become leaders in the community. They connect students with community internships and develop unique, community-engaged courses that lead to a real-world impact. One really cool spot in the library is the MakerStudio, where students can make a button, use their 3D printer, print out a poster, and use other crafting equipment and design tools, all for free. If you stop by the service desk, you can actually borrow a laptop for an entire semester, or a calculator, camera, or other tech equipment. A really cool spot in here is the sensory space. It's designed to be either a stimulating or relaxing environment. I'll get back to you in a little bit after a quick nap. Before I head out, I've got to stop by Starbucks and pick up an iced cherry chai, and then it's off to class. Catch you later!